You've probably seen birds perched on power lines without a care in the world and wondered, doesn't their little dance with death risk electrocution? Stick around, because in the next few seconds, we're going to unravel this electrifying myth. Here's the real deal. Birds don't get electrocuted because they are not grounded. When a bird lands on a single power line, electricity doesn't flow through them since it doesn't have a path to follow. Turns out, electricity needs a continuous path to the ground to cause a shock, and birds perched on a single wire simply are not completing that circuit. What other myths have you heard? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to reveal the truth behind more myths.